Alright, so today we're going to take a look at a pretty popular app that I've been using recently. I've used it a couple times and it's actually pretty cool. At first I thought it was a scam, but it turns out it's just a normal app. So the app is called FreePrints. Maybe that's the name of the company as well, but you may have seen this company on their advertising. I know that they do a lot of ads on when I'm watching YouTube videos or whatever. So let's go ahead and have a look. So basically this is the app right here. It's called, you can find it in the App Store. It's called let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. FreePrints. So that's what the app looks like. You just download it through the App Store, whether it's Google Play or whether it's the Apple Store. So we'll go ahead and open it up. It's a pretty simple app. So you just open it up and then it has this little icon up here. This is the main menu area. Just click on that. And then it has these little things here. So basically this app, you get to just use your phone and upload up to 85 pictures per month, and they don't charge you per print. And then basically they'll print them off and then send them to you. They do charge a small, I guess, shipping and handling fee. I don't know if it's the same for everyone else, but whenever I order, it ends up being $9.99 for 85 pictures, which to me seems like a pretty good deal. So yeah, let's go ahead and have a closer look. So here's the menu right here. So they have some new thing they've been advertising to me, FreePrints photo books. So basically you get like a book and then they print it into the pages. That doesn't seem ideal to me, so I actually haven't ordered it yet. Maybe I will because it's free, because it's a new part of their app they're using. Bonus points. I don't know what this is. I think it's when if you refer family members or friends to use this app. I haven't referred anyone, but if you do, then you're going to see up here in your history who signed up, I guess, maybe. As you can see, I don't have anyone. So if you're looking for a referral code, be sure to click the description. I'll be sure to put mine in there. So we'll go back here to the main menu. My deals. This is just where they have special promotions for, certain 8x10s or 5x7s or something like that. My rewards. So this is, just some kind of special deals. I've never used this because I just recently started using it about maybe 3 months ago. So maybe I'll give that a try. My orders. So here's my orders right here. So the first order I had was March 28th, 2018. We're now in August. So I've ordered it 2 times. I don't really take a lot of pictures, but if I did, then I'd probably use this every single month, considering the price and how easy it is to use. So yeah, that's my 2 orders there. And then your account. This is just where you're going to put your credit card information or put your shipping information. Fax, contact us. Those are all self-explanatory. But yeah, so basically to order, all you're going to do is go here to go to home, and then you can click begin up there, or down here tap to get started, either one. And see, what it's going to do is going to pull up your phone pictures, and then you can actually pull information or photos from all of these separate places. It kind of goes together with these ones. I don't know, it's like built in with an API. I don't exactly know how they do it, but it's pretty easy. You just click into wherever you're going to pull it and then just start choosing the pictures you want up to 85. You can add more, but then they're charging you more. But if you just want the free ones like I do, then I just do 85 and then you click send and then they'll be on their way. So once you order, you'll get a confirmation. They don't do tracking, probably because they're sending it out as cheaply as possible. So here's my package right here. This is a new one that I just ordered. It just comes in this like sturdy envelope, and then there's 2 packets in each side. And yeah, it's just a hard cardboard protector. And then to open it, you just do this. I actually haven't opened this packet because I know what's in here and I don't have anywhere to put these pictures, but yeah, so that's what it looks like. So just half and half on each side. And then when you pull the envelopes out, this is what it looks like. It's just like this flimsy paper cover, but who cares about that because it's already well protected inside of that cardboard sheet. And then the pictures they just put in here. I've taken all of the personally identifiable pictures out for obvious reasons, but yeah, so I just kind of mess around and I have a couple of pictures in here. This is one of my Ferrari, and then some picture that I took in Sacramento, and then a picture of pictures of an old car that I had. But yeah, these are just regular pictures. I mean, the quality is pretty good. The quality is really going to depend on the quality of the picture that you took with your phone or the file that you're uploading. So when you're uploading the file onto their application, they'll let you know if they feel like the picture is not going to come out that great or if it's going to come out kind of grainy, and then you could choose if you want to keep that picture or not. For me, I just like having these around. It's kind of nice to be able to touch the picture and like share them with friends when they come over. because you get to hold it instead of just like passing your cell phone around and showing them. The people who come to visit me, they can just kind of flip through them and enjoy them, or maybe you can hang them on your wall. I have a small photo book, so that's kind of nice to have these like physical, tangible pictures, because if you're like me, sometimes you take a lot of pictures and then they just kind of get lost into the hundreds and hundreds of other photos that you have inside your phone. So this is a pretty cool service. So yeah, I pay $9.99 and that's once per month, and that includes up to 85 pictures of my choice. I've tried to place an order this month, but I found out that I don't actually have 85 new pictures that I want to print off, so I'm going to wait until next month to order when I have a few extra pictures. That way I don't end up with some, you know, cheesy pictures I don't really care about, kind of like this one. I included this picture just because I wanted to, this is back in March when I wanted to test out this app and make sure it wasn't a scam. But yeah, pretty cool service. I like that it's pretty convenient. I guess the only thing I would probably like a little bit more is if they had a tracking number for their package that they're going to be sending out, so that way I know how far away the pictures are. But I understand that that costs extra money, and they're already doing these pictures at a pretty cheap price, so that's just not within the budget. So yeah, aside from that, pretty cool service. I do like it and I would recommend it. If you want any more information, just be sure to click the description below, and hopefully you found this information useful about FreePrints. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.